Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video, we will show you a low-carb menu for 1 week. This is a sample menu for 1 week on a low-carb diet plan. It provides less than 50 grams of total carbs per day. However, if you're healthy and active, you can eat slightly more carbs. Day 1, Monday. Breakfast, omelette with various vegetables, fried in butter or coconut oil. Lunch, grass-fed yogurt with blueberries and a handful of almonds. Dinner, bunless cheeseburger, served with vegetables and salsa sauce. It's Tuesday. Breakfast, bacon and eggs. Lunch, leftover burgers and veggies from the previous night. Dinner, salmon with butter and vegetables. It's Wednesday. Breakfast, eggs and vegetables, fried in butter or coconut oil. Lunch, shrimp salad with some olive oil. Dinner, grilled chicken with vegetables. It's Thursday. Breakfast, omelette with various vegetables, fried in butter or coconut oil. Lunch, smoothie with coconut milk, berries, almonds, and protein powder. Dinner, steak and veggies. It's Friday. Breakfast, bacon and eggs. Lunch, chicken salad with some olive oil. Dinner, pork chops with vegetables. It's a Saturday. Breakfast, omelette with various veggies. Lunch, grass-fed yogurt with berries, coconut flakes, and a handful of walnuts. Dinner, meatballs with vegetables. It's Sunday. Breakfast, bacon and eggs. Lunch, smoothie with coconut milk, a dash of heavy cream, chocolate-flavored protein powder and berries. Dinner, grilled chicken wings with some raw spinach on the side. Subscribe to us for more diet,